Okay, I'm just gonna say it. DJI has officially lost its mind in the best possible way. You know DJI, right? The drone company that basically turned the sky into their playground? Yeah, those guys just dropped this, a completely transparent robot vacuum called ROMO P. It's not just another smart cleaner, it looks like something ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie. You can literally see every little gear, motor, and roller working in real time. It's like watching a robot flex its muscles while cleaning your house. Here's the deal. ROMO P is DJI's first ever home robot, and they didn't exactly tiptoe into the market. They brought in the same obstacle sensing system they use in their flagship drones, dual fisheye vision sensors, solid-state LiDAR, and multi-sensor fusion that gives it millimeter-level precision. Translation: it can spot something as thin as a playing card or a loose charging cable and glide around it like a pro dancer. No bumping, no "oops, I ate your shoelace." It just flows. Smooth, quiet, confident, and when it cleans, it doesn't guess its way around like some lazy bots do. It strategizes. The path planning feels straight out of a drone navigation system. It scans your space, builds a full 3D map, and picks the most efficient routes. You can literally see it thinking, hugging corners, skimming under chairs, then swinging wide for open paths. Oh, and the power. 25,000 pascals of suction. That's not marketing fluff. That's industrial-grade airflow coming from a 9-blade metal fan. You drop a handful of sand on your carpet. Gone. Pet hair, cookie crumbs, dust bunnies. It inhales everything like it's on a mission. And because DJI loves to over-engineer things, ROMO P comes with dual anti-tangle roller brushes, each powered by its own motor. Rubber or bristle combo, you pick your weapon depending on what kind of mess you're up against. Long hair, handled, carpet crumbs, gone. And when it hits edges or corners, the dual extendable arms reach out and literally scoop the dirt out. Watching it in action is weirdly satisfying. Then comes the mopping. ROMO P doesn't just drag a damp rag across the floor, it's got brains. It uses custom cleaning solutions and even a floor deodorizer tank, so your floors don't just look clean, they smell clean. You can customize it too. Grease removal mode for your kitchen, deodorizer for your living room, even pet area settings that avoid spreading fur and debris. And when it's done, it drives itself home to the base station, the most advanced cleaning dock I've ever seen. This isn't a normal dock, it's a mini car wash. 4 high-pressure water jets blast the mop pads. 12 newtons of downward scrubbing pressure wash them clean, and a 16mm suction port gulps up every bit of waste and hair. Then the whole thing dries with hot air, quietly because there's a 3-stage sound suppression chamber that filters out 80% of the noise. And get this, DJI claims up to 200 days of maintenance-free operation, meaning you can practically forget it exists until you glance at it and realize your transparent cleaning robot is quietly flexing in the corner like an art piece. Control, all done through the DJI Home app. It's smooth, minimal, and genuinely fun to use. You can set up custom cleaning zones, switch between vacuum and mop modes, even start a video call through the onboard camera to check on your pets, or yell at your cat for knocking over your plant. It's basically a floor-level drone live stream. Charging is fast, 55 watts, full battery in about 2.5 hours, and it automatically figures out when to rewash the pads or remop a dirty zone. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Look, I've tested a lot of robot vacuums, but ROMO P feels different. It's not just about convenience anymore, this is about style meeting substance. A cleaning robot that looks like a display piece, thinks like a drone, and works like a pro. DJI didn't just build a vacuum, they built a statement. ROMO P, beauty meets brains and your floors will never be the same again.